Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I'm excited because I'm going to be trying a new foundation. And I love trying foundations. It's like my thing. Tinted moisturizers, serum foundations, all those type of foundations I love. So if you like foundations and stuff like that, then keep on watching. So the one that I'm talking about is this one. And I found this at Marshall's and they only had it for $4.99, as you can see back here. This is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. It says it lasts up to 24 hours. Who's going to be wearing foundation for 24 hours? I don't know, but that's what it says. Okay, it's mattifying, which I need because I have combo skin. My T-zone is very oily. Is water and sweat proof, and it has niacinamide. It sounds really good. So when I saw it there, I was like, let me try it and see, because I've had my eye out on this one. I've been meaning to get it. I could never find my shade or a shade close to my skin tone. So I think this one is going to be a better match. It is a fair beige. I'm never usually beige because beige has a very strong peach undertone and I don't have a peach undertone, but let's see. It says to shake well first, and I already applied my primer, my favorite primer by one size. This is the Oil Sucker, the best one out there. If you're oily, that's the one. So I'm going to be using a sponge for this and see. I hope I like it because one, it's very affordable and it seems pretty good. It says it's matte. So let's see. Oh, that's a very nice match. So I put one there. I'm going to show you side by side so you can see the coverage. It gives you time to blend it out. That's great because sometimes mattifying foundations tend to dry up quickly and it doesn't really give you time to like spread the product around, but this one's working great. So like I said, I have combo skin. Right around here, I'm a little bit dry. And then my nose, my inner part of my cheeks, and my forehead is oily. Everything else is normal. Oh, this is a perfect match. Wow. I'm surprised I was this lucky. So here you can see it side by side. Wow, it is full coverage. Yep, I haven't worn a full coverage in a very long time. This covered everything. This covered my soul. It covered all my freckle spots, my redness, everything. It covered everything. Look at that. Insane. And I didn't really use that much. I only did like one drop. So far it's looking good. Of course, I'm going to be doing a little wear test because I'm curious to see how it's going to look in a couple of hours, if it's going to cake up or look dry or separate. Okay, so this is how it's looking. It already dried down here. I don't know if it doesn't claim that it's self-setting, so I'm going to set it with my powder just in case. But it's looking pretty good. I'm not even going to use concealer with this. I don't think it's necessary. Or should I? No, I'm going to skip on it. I'm going to powder with this one that I have right here because it's closest to me. The Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Powder. Just a little bit. I don't think I need a lot with this because it is matte. So I'm just going to add this in like targeted areas and scrape the excess from the puff. But so far, I'm very impressed. It doesn't look heavy, even though it's fully matte and it is full coverage. But it doesn't feel heavy, you know? And that's weird because for full coverage, usually the full coverage foundations always tend to feel a little bit heavy on the skin. But not this one. I just hope that it lasts a while. If you give me 6 hours of looking good, I'm okay with it. I don't ask for much. I don't ask for 24 hours. Right here it is with powder. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. Okay, I added the rest of my makeup on my face and everything went on perfectly well. Nothing separated, nothing picked up or anything. It's looking pretty good so far. but we'll see in a couple of hours. So I'll see you in a few hours to do a check-in. Hey guys, so it's been 6 hours. I'm doing a check-in now. I am starting to get oily here, but it's not that bad. Everything's in place. Nothing has separated so far, so it's looking pretty good for 6 hours. I'll see you in a little bit more so I could wear it as long as possible, and then I'll do the final check-in and give you my final thoughts. All right, it's been close to 8 hours. I've been wearing this for 8 hours and I haven't touched up or anything. Of course, I'm very shiny here. That's very typical in me. That's my problem area. I always get oily there very fast, but I didn't get so oily today. Could be partly because I use the oil sucker and that one really controls my oils throughout the day. But looking at this really close, I don't see any separation or even cakiness. Maybe just a little bit here, which could have been avoided if I would have powdered earlier. But let's see, I'm gonna powder again just to see how it looks after powdering, to see if it stays in place and what actually really picks up, if any. But so far, I'm very impressed with it in terms of longevity. Okay, so there it is after powdering, and yes, right now it did pick up a little bit when I was pressing the powder and over here. So it did pick up a little bit and on my chin as well. But I think that could have been avoided if I would have powdered earlier, like maybe 4 hours ago. But so far, if I would have done that, I don't think this would have happened. So, and for $4.99, I mean, come on, it's very affordable. And in my opinion, is actually pretty darn good for the price. So if you're curious about it and you find it at a really affordable price, like $5, then grab it. Grab it and try it out to see if it works for you. I like it. And plus I got a perfect match, so I'm gonna continue using it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button because that helps me out a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.